Beloved, we're assembled here in sight of God and the President's company to join this man and this woman in holy wedlock. Marriage is honorable and been issued of God and blessed by our Lord Jesus Christ. Therefore, this holy estate is not to be entered upon lightly or without serious forethought, but soberly, sincerely, and with all reverence. By coming here today, you hereby recognize that this covenant is not only a legal contract, but a bond of union made in heaven, knowing that God will richly bless those who seek His favor. Luke, do you take this woman to be your lawful wedded wife and promise to be a faithful and loving husband unto her as long as you both shall live?
Do.
Lauren, do you take this man to be your lawful and wedded husband and promise to be a faithful and loving wife unto him as long as you both shall live?
I do.
You're the one I've waited all my life for. You're the one I'd lose it all and die for. And as the sun transforms into the moon, I pray we never lose the fire of our youth. No, I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow.
I, Luke, take thee, Lauren,
I, Lauren, take thee, Luke,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded husband,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health.
until death do us part.
I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow. No, I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow. And I'll be here when the sun sets, and I'll be here till our final breath. My love is all for you. It's all for you.